11 ways you could make money with little to no investments and tips to succeed in them, applicable worldwide. Some of these strategies to make extra money will require you to be in certain localities, but if online you could bypass this by using a VPN. While others are location independent. This is part 2 of 3. Check out the other videos for more options. 11. Rent a spare room on Airbnb, available worldwide. Airbnb is a platform for renting out a spare room. You can make some good money, especially if you live in a tourist destination. If you don't mind the neighbors, then this is definitely an option. You can crash with friends and family and rent out your entire house if you're really desperate. 10. Do gigs on Mechanical Turk. Mechanical Turk is a platform by Amazon that allows you to do small jobs and get paid for it. But don't expect too much money out of this. These gigs truly are micro, and range from a few cents to a few dollars at the most. But if you join several of these together, it might be in your benefit. You don't need any serious qualification to do this. Usually, this involves clicking on links, taking surveys, giving an opinion, doing some light categorizing or other human intelligence tasks, hits as they like to call it. 9. Wash and detail cars. People are always looking to have their cars washed and detailed. You could be a mobile car washer and detailer without having a permanent location. Reach out to people you know or make some flyers and put it in your neighbors' mailboxes. If you want to get serious about it, prop up a one-page website or give out business cards. You can make money quickly doing this. 8. Tutor students. Parents are always willing to invest in their children's future. If you have a great deal of knowledge in subjects such as math, science or computers, you could tutor for cash. Both Indeed.com and Care.com offer opportunities for tutoring local students. You could opt for either of these platforms or simply find your clients through your personal network or social media. 7. Advertise for companies with a car wrap. Platforms like Carvertise connect brands and companies with drivers. The process is simple: agree to turn your car into a roaming billboard for a price. If you qualify, you can earn a set monthly fee for advertising with your car. You won't have to pay anything to do this, but you'll need a clean driving record and a fairly new car. You'll have to drive the car enough to be worth it for brands paying for your services. If you have all that, then you could make a bit of side hustle income through this endeavor. 6. Donate blood. You can make around $20 to $50 per donation of blood, depending if your blood type is rare or common. You can also donate plasma. Different states have different minimum requirements that must be paid when people donate plasma. Plasma donations help people who are fighting leukemia and other immune disorders. 5. Decorate homes for the holidays. Whether it's New Year's, Christmas lighting, Easter, 4th of July or any other holiday, you can get paid to help decorate homes. This might involve putting up lights inside or outside, decorating trees, setting up games and decor. Use the internet and social media to find clients, or simply advertise to your local network. There are loads of options when it comes to doing specialty jobs like this. 4. Walking tourists on Viator. If you live in a tourist locality, consider doing walking tours on Viator, which is one of the largest platforms for tour operators in the world. You'll need to work hard to get a good reputation. To find clients, quickly offer free tours and ask for tips at the end. This is leveraging the principle of reciprocity with the power of free. People love to get things for free, but they feel obligated at the end to give something in return. That's why supermarkets are always giving away food. They know if you like it, you'll buy it. 3. Sell your valuables. If you're running on fumes, financially speaking, but you have some money coming your way soon, consider selling something of value to borrow fast cash. Of course, to get those items back you'll need to pay back the loan with interest. If you don't pay it back in time, that you'll lose the item. If it's really something that has a lot of intrinsic value to you, don't do it. But if it's something that doesn't, you can certainly consider it depending on your situation. 2. Open a cash bonus checking account. Check with your local bank to see if they're giving away cash bonuses for opening up accounts. Banks run promotions like this all the time, so grab some real cash quickly if you're in need. It won't break the bank, but it will give you a quick $50 or $100, maybe even more when you really need it. You might need to deposit a minimum amount of cash in order to qualify for these types of accounts. 1. Participate in medical studies. If you don't mind throwing caution to the wind, consider becoming a participant in medical studies or drug trials. Companies pay a significant amount of money to participants. You'll need to find the companies conducting medical studies and expect side effects. If you can live with that, then you can definitely make some money fast without too much effort.